Hi, I'm Rex, and welcome back to REM Prompt. And yesterday we did the video on the beach, and you can look at my screen. I still have that picture up. And for this video, we're going to go ahead and do two athletic college students, one male, one female, riding their bikes next to each other on the large college or university campus. So I already got the prompt in there. Let's see if I can get Copilot to run it. And if not, we're going to do what we did in the last video. We're going to have to break it down and see if we can run it in pieces. It looks like it's running this time. So we're going to see if we can get it. And I discussed in the previous video again, uh, the whole structure of a prompt for Copilot for images is you got to tell it again, draw a picture of, and those are going to be the first four words that I use in all my prompts for Copilot. Draw a picture of, and then you tell it a male, female, a college student, a kid, a child, an elderly man, gentleman, teen, what, who, or what do you want to show in the picture? And then you tell Copilot, what is the person doing? Is he walking, running, jumping, leaping, standing, sleeping, lying down, swimming, surfing, skating? There is an action involved. What is the person doing? And then you gotta tell Copilot, what's the person look like? Short, tall, skinny, fat, muscular, athletic. Uh, how does he look? How or she? Is he white, black, Asian, Pacific Islander, Indian? Um, you got to give a little bit of a description, athletic, um, etc. And then you got to tell Copilot, what's the scenery? Is it a college campus? Is it a classroom? Is it a school? Is it a high school? Is it a residential area? Is it a neighborhood? Is it a big city? Is it a farm? What's the setting? So we always have the same pieces that make up the prompt. So um, we got this new prompt over here. I'm going to click on the first picture out of the thumbnails over here, and then let's see what we get. So what I like about Copilot is it repeats the prompt over here. Two athletic college students, one male and one female, riding their bikes next to each other around the college campus with backpacks on their shoulders. So I got a female and a male next to each other. I always like to click on the download button because I like downloading all my pictures so I can look at them later. And then over here, I got the right arrow. Usually, if I am on the second or the third picture, I also have the left arrow so I can go back. So I got a female and a male. They're both riding their bikes. And then I can go next one. Oh, now I got two guys. So you see, the AI does make mistakes. I should have a female and a male, or male and a female. I got two men instead. So this time it only gave me three people or three pictures. Sorry. Um, and then this is the part that I really like a lot. It gives me three prompt suggestions. Add some fall leaves to the scene, make it a sunny day with blue skies, change their bike to scooters. We can say, for example, let's change the scenery a little bit. Over here, you see all green grass and trees and leaves and so on. Let's make it fall. It is at the time of recording, this is September. So maybe by the time you're watching this, it might be October, November, or December. It might be winter already. So then it'll be a whole different scenery. See what we get. Okay. Now there are leaves on the ground. Now I got three people. I got two guys and one girl. Downloaded it. There it goes. Now I got a guy and a girl here. So you see, it doesn't always do exactly what you tell it to do in the prompt. Here we go. A guy and a girl. Let's see. Did it change my thing again about the two white? Right. Yeah. It doesn't like that when I mention race. Yeah. Okay. Is that the last one? That is. Okay. Should we do one more? Make make them both Indian. Can you make both students Indian? So I'm making one small manual tweak to the prompt right now. So I want them to be Indian students. Let's see what we get. This time it did give me 4 thumbnails. I'm going to click on the first one. I always click on the top left. Here we go. Now I've got 2 Indian students, a female and a male. And there's still leaves on the floor, so it's still like around this time of the year. And they're both riding their bikes on a, you can tell it looks like a large college campus. And it looks like it's fall. He's wearing a hoodie. Here they're wearing t-shirts. So that looks pretty good. That came out just about right. Add a chai cup, make the campus fountain more prominent, change their bikes to colorful scooters. Okay, let's do one more just for fun. So instead of riding bicycles, it's going to change their bikes to scooters. So we're going to take one of the suggested prompts from Copilot. Let's see what we get. Okay. Now we got two scooters, 2 different colors. But that looks about right. A guy and a girl. Same thing. Why does it look like he's riding 2 scooters? See, AI does funny stuff like that. He's riding 2 scooters. Here we go. Guy and girl. One more. Now I got 3 people. 2 men and 1 female in the middle. That's cool. That's a cool picture though. All the leaves are on the ground. This looks like it's like October in the middle of fall. That's a good picture though. See how I changed my prompt? 2 Indian and elected college students, 1 male and 1 female, riding colorful scooters next to each other around the college campus in fall leaves with backpacks on their shoulders. So it changed that one sentence that I typed in. Actually, I clicked one of their suggested prompts. It changed the prompt entirely. So that's cool. So instead of 2 people riding bicycles, now I got 3 people riding 3 scooters. That makes it fun. Okay, that's good. That's enough for today. All right. Thank you so much for watching the video. My name is Rex. Please like and subscribe and follow. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.